Hi guys, today we talk about how can you control incident range on your Rain app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign here in app. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on neighbor settings. So then you come to this list here, you go down, you click here on neighborhood settings here. So then you click here on push notification settings and you click here on incident range here. Then here can you choose here if you want to add here distance from this is location. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Or here can you find all be notified upon incident within this is distance. Here can you choose it. So when you choose click here on save, then it's going to save video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.